Yeah, if count were an instantiation variable, you would say instantiate, that's the verb, instantiation is a noun, instantiate counter 5, and then you would say ask counter next, or, you know, define, you know, C4 to be instantiate counter 5, and you'd say ask C4, quote, next, and it would say 6. Yeah. If you wanted to, you could build a set method into your class. You could say method set count, new value would be the formal parameter of the method, set bang count, new count. And then people would be able to change the value of the counter on the fly. Okay, it's up to you what methods are in your object. Yeah. Can you have one class that either does or doesn't take an instantiation variable? I'm actually not sure what the answer to that is. I think not. I mean, you certainly can't have two separate defined classes for the same name. It's like defining a procedure. The one you do second is going to win. The question is, can you put rest arguments with the dot notation in a defined class? And I have no idea. We'll try it later. But don't. Okay? And a lot of times, let me say, you know, you're going to come up with a lot of questions this week of the form, can I do the following screwy thing? And the real deep answer to that question is maybe you can and maybe you can't in this particular object language. But the object of the exercise here, if you pardon the pun, is not for you to get intimately familiar with the nooks and crannies of this system. It's for you to understand sort of how one does object-oriented programming. So I'd rather focus our attention as much as possible on kind of mainstream things to do rather than peculiar things to do. Okay?